Well, hello shenanigans. I'm finally back, I think, I hope, I pray. Not feeling 100% yet, but we're going to finally empty this truck and reload it to go to the scrapyard. I will include y'all in as much of it as I can, but I'm gonna have to just keep working because get as much done as I can before I tuck her out. Hopefully I can get to the scrapyard today. I hate to load it and then not make it, and then Sunday I'd have to unload it again or in order to go trash picking. So anyway, Pop and I are feeling better. We bought a test kit yesterday so we can see if we are free and clear. Should be, it's been long enough, but I'll let you know when we know. All right, I'm gonna get started on this. Come along, could use your help. All right, I took the rugs and hung them up on the fence so they can get washed. The donkeys are here to visit us. If you've seen Papa's channel, you've seen these donkeys, at least some of them. Can y'all see them? They're starting to talk. Look real close, there's 5 of them. All right, back to the truck. The real reason we're here. Not actually here for the donkeys. All right. I have to figure out where Papa went with the bag that we were going to go through. Alrighty, time to start untangling some of this stuff. There's our buffer that we got to try. Part of me is guessing it isn't going to work. All right. Well, that scooter's ruined. I've never seen that happen to a scooter before. The whole frame wants to fold up on it. Let's see here. Someone might want that. Oh boy. A bug just went in my ear. I'm not sure it came out. I hung the pumpkin welcome sign on the corner of the fence. I could have swore this thing had all the screws to it, and now there's one missing. And it appears we might have bent it. So it may no longer be any good. Well, shoot. I guess I'm going to take these screws out and hang on to them in case I run into another one that doesn't have any. It's the only thing I can think to do. I'm not keeping any of the other metal though. Trust me, I thought about it. I'd like to get the trailer to the scrapyard too, but I don't think I should do that right now. Might not be a very wise choice. All right. Put all this over here. On the side. I think this is only missing a screw, and it's one of those rocker chairs. I might keep that one. All right, the rug. Remind me that I put that on Papa's rope. Oh, found it. Found the other screw. Doesn't do any good though because the thing is broke. life jackets, hairy tennis shoes. Where can I leave them to get clean? We'll leave them over there for now. All right. Oh, you guys follow me. Trying not to break the fishing rods. This is metal, all except for this part. The sign is not metal. Or aluminum. Sorry about that. Aluminum. All right, fishing rods, come here. All of you, not just part of you. All of you. All right, shutting you off for now. I'll be with you in just a second. Let's see if we can get you set up so you can see. That looks pretty good. We're gonna try the buffer. I have no idea how to use one of these, so this ought to be interesting. Well, how about that? It actually works. I kind of thought it would, but you never know. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Super awesome. Let's see. I don't know how this was hooked. Alrighty. Woohoo! Alright, I'm gonna see about getting some new stuff on here. Yep, y'all get to watch me fight with this thing again. I best move this first, I guess. I'd like to get this toaster oven out of here. Got it from our son. I guess I'm gonna have to crawl up in there to get it. All right, come out of there. He said it catches on fire. So off with the cord. No wonder, is this? That's steel. Man, what a cheap made thing. It's all steel. One donkey keeping me company. All right, let's see how strong I am today. Not looking forward to this at all. Oh yay, Papa's coming out. Papa can help me. Okay. Get the dogs in there first.
Yeah. At least Georgia.
Daisy! Daisy! Hey! No! No! And oh. Look at her hair on her back. Daisy just went after one of the donkeys. The donkey looked at her like, really? This will go quick with Papa. Right, Papa?
Right, what?
This will go quick with you helping.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't even hardly done anything and I'm sweating.
Well, it's also rather humid and it is warmer than it was before.
Gotta get way down. Yep. And we gotta kind of walk it because the bars. Oh, I got all yucky.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand it up, I think.
Oh, all right. Stand it back up on here.
Because I'd like to get the other treadmill on here too.
Okay. All right.
And I'll work on this, I guess, first.
Are you able to? Or do I have to climb?
What the heck was that?
Hey, you're all. I was gonna say you were all the way in.
Yeah. Debating which way I should have the tread part. I think this way.
Yeah, all right.
Close enough, I guess.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna go get the other treadmill.
All right then.
You're gonna have to listen to some heavy breathing for a while.
Beats the heck out of wheezing.
That may be coming too.
Really?
Donkeys came to keep me company.
Yeah.
And Daisy does not approve. You want to hold that up? Boy, they really tied this. Or we did.
I don't remember doing that, but
All right, you can leave it down.
all right.
We'll put this in the bucket. You know, my cord started again.
What started again?
My cords.
Oh yeah.
All right. There are only the wheels on the back. And I'm thinking the way to do this would be to come over my way with it so I can just pull it in sideways.
Oh, I'm not sure I get it.
This end we're gonna have over here,
Okay.
and then I'll stand it up
Okay.
once it's on the tailgate. You need your gloves?
Well, let me try it without. Nearly as heavy as the other one.
Nope. There we go. Get it all the way up. There we go. Water coming out of all kinds of places on this thing.
Yeah.
Are you about done?
No.
Hate to get my gloves that wet. Hold on, no.
Nope. Okay. Oh, I get you. Okay. There. And now it can be slid in the rest of the way.
Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it'll be that easy. Something tells me it won't be though. Oh boy. Something I can tie this to.
I'm not sure.
With that big end on there, hopefully that'll stay tied. Oh, doesn't reach. So that was for nothing. You're gonna get me on the doors a couple of my bungees, or hanging where the, yeah, right there.
One?
I think I might need a couple. doesn't hold it very tight there, but it's not gonna flop. Do this side just to be safe. There. Now it won't flop down.
This wheel's up against that thing.
Yep, I know. That's good.
There you go. Hold on. What's going on here?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to move those. Here, let's put them up here. I like to have those oils.
Yep.
Well, I think we haven't done it yet. Alright. I think we got it.
Alright, your camera is pointing at the treadmill.
Yep. Y'all are looking at the treadmill. I'm gonna hook onto this one somehow. Pull it tighter. All right, y'all. I don't know how much more I'm gonna be able to show you. But here's what we got. 2 treadmills. I know, I should have taken the batteries out, but I didn't.
Good day.
How you feeling?
Yeah,
Yeah, me too.
I'm okay. I'm better than yesterday.
What I'm worried about is getting this thing loaded and not feeling well enough to go to the scrapyard. That's what I'm worried about.
Minnie's not worried about it.
No, Minnie's never worried about anything, are you, Minnie? You say hi to your fans? Since you're the star of the show, huh? You say hi? Yeah, you're the boss of the show, aren't ya? Yeah, you are. All right, when I figure out more, I'll let you know. All right, so Papa helped me. We got dryer on and microwave and that crazy thing. I think him and I think it's for a hide-a-bed, you know, couch. And it's totally ruined, so whatever. I'm gonna put the toaster oven up here. But since I can't catch my breath, I'm gonna go in the house for a little while and hopefully we'll make it to the scrap yard. I don't know, maybe we can go to the other one tomorrow if I can't make it today. We'll see. Because I want the truck emptied for Monday, just in case I go out trash picking. So, all right, when I work on it some more, I'll let y'all know. We got the truck all loaded. I've already changed my clothes. I forgot to do an outro. We're not going to the scrapyard today. I'm not up to it. We're gonna go to the Dallas one tomorrow. You'll get to see a new yard. Yeah, how about that? Anyway, here's what we got. We got stuff all up on the toolbox. All along here. In the back. Inside there. In between the two what do you call those things again? Treadmills. We got more here. And finally here. That's what we got. That's what we're taking tomorrow. Most of this is in there good. I'm concerned about a little bit of it, but it'll be fine. Like that ain't moving at all. This is wiggling, and I wish it wasn't, but oh well. Like Papa said, it's a tall load today, this time. But look how much I got cleaned out over here. I got a lot cleaned out over here. There was stuff sitting right there, over there, in here. Oh, I was gonna grab that pan. I can still throw that on. I got a bunch of stuff over there and over there, so yeah. What do y'all think? I wish I could go to the yard today because it's closer, but by the time I air up the tires on the truck and all that, it's gonna be about time for them to close, so it took longer to load all this than I thought it was going to. Oh well. Things happen. You deal with it, right? And if we don't get there tomorrow, I guess it'll have to be Monday. We'll see. All right. Minnie and I, and Papa, and Daisy, and Georgia, and all the kitty cats. We all love you from the bottom of our hearts. Hope you're having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I hope you've been praying for world peace. And praying for everything that's going on right now. Pray for people that are going on trips to have happy and safe trips. And I'm praying for each and every one of you. All right? So anyway, again, we love you from the bottom of our hearts. And until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.